Hello viewers, today we are sharing the recipe of Guava Chutney. Guavas are excellent source of dietary fiber, loaded with vitamins and minerals. It's good for digestive disorders, good for heart, regulates the blood pressure and reduces the bad cholesterol. It improves good cholesterol as well. Helps to lower the blood sugar levels, helps in regulating the metabolism which leads to weight loss. It's rich in vitamin C and helps to boost immunity. It is good for skin also. So please eat this fruit to keep your body in good health. We'll see how to make this guava chutney now. It's very nutritious. It can be made easily and can be stored in the fridge for 2 to 3 days. Now let us start.
Ingredients required for making guava chutney: 2 small sized guava. We have chopped this into pieces. 1 tablespoon oil. Roughly chopped onion 1. Coconut 2 tablespoons. Green chili 5 and red chili 3. Chana dal 1 tablespoon. Urad dal 1 tablespoon. For seasoning, 1 red chili, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and curry leaves. Salt as per taste. Little tamarind. Let's start cooking. First put the kadai on a medium flame. Add 1 tablespoon oil. Add chana dal. Now add urad dal. Fry both. Fry till it becomes light golden brown. Now transfer this to a plate. Now add half spoon oil. Put onions. Fry the onion till it becomes translucent. Now transfer this also to the same plate. Add little more oil. Now add guava. And fry this one also. Fry till it changes the color and becomes soft. Now check if it has become soft. Now this is done. Add green chilies and red chilies to it now. Fry this also. Put tamarind now. Now this is done. You can switch off the flame now. Allow this mixture to cool down. Once it cools down, transfer the mixture to the mixer grinder. Now add the coconut. Add salt as per taste. Now make the paste without adding the water. Once it becomes like this, add little water and make fine paste. It should be of this consistency. Now we'll make the seasoning. Add little oil to the kadai. Once the oil becomes hot, add mustard seeds. Once it splutters, add curry leaves and red chili. Now switch off the flame. Add the seasoning to the chutney. Now guava chutney is ready to serve. This chutney will be very tasty and good for health also. So please try this recipe. Hope you like this recipe.
Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to get the instant notifications. Thanks for watching.